So we have KK Club. It's a gym in the outskirts of Mokono town. The club operator took records of the number of people and the time they spend on the cycle machine. The records were summarized in the frequency table below. So we have the time in minutes and the number of people. We are required to calculate the harmonic mean. Now, the harmonic mean can earn you up to a maximum of 5 marks, and this is for grouped data. Grouped data, as long as there's a frequency and the classes, these are the limits, that is grouped data. It's grouped data. So what is the formula for determining the harmonic mean? Okay, so we begin with the formula. Usually people ask me, do I earn any marks in stating the formula? Absolutely, you earn marks. So we begin by talking about the formula. And here we are saying that the harmonic mean expenditure for the candidates can be calculated using the following formula. So we have our formula here, harmonic mean, HM. We usually abbreviate it like that, HM is equal to summation of F over summation of F times 1 over N. Okay. Where, I think you have put down that, where F is the frequency and N are the number of observations. Number of observations. So if I now present, I think this is supposed to be, I was also asking myself. Sorry about that. I messed up on the formula. Forgive me. Where is this thing? Harmonic mean. This must be the one. It is 1 over X, not 1 over N, sorry. It is 1 over X, not 1 over N. Yes, N are the number of observations, but this is our X, not N. Sorry about that. Okay. So let me bring back our formula and I'll redefine this. N are the number of observations, that's okay, which is almost the X. I mean, this one is the N. In most cases, summation of F. Summation of F are the number of observations. Okay, where F is the frequency. Summation of F is the N, number of observations. On the X is the class mark. Yeah, there we are good to go. And of course, don't forget, we're talking about harmonic mean for group T data. Harmonic mean for grouped data. So with that, we prepare our table in this way. We have the limits, which is the time. We have the frequencies. Summation of F is 110. You're going to confirm that. The class mark, as we did before, where the class mark for 5 to 10, this class here, how we get the 7.5, we get our 5 plus 10 divided by 2. And absolutely, that is 15 over 2, which is 7.5. I guess I'm right. Am I right? 7.5? Someone confirm in the chat. Good. So these are the class marks for those who didn't know how to determine the class mark. Those are our class marks right there. Just do this class on that. Then after getting your class mark, you go ahead to determine 1 over x by getting 1 divided by 7.5, that is 0.1333. Remember, we go up to 4 decimal places. Don't forget, note, use 4 decimal places for exam purposes. And even when you are teaching your students there, some of you are going to lecture, please emphasize 4 decimal places. Otherwise, 2 decimal places, you lose marks. Then 1 over 12.5 is 0.0800. 1 over 17.5 is 0.571. 1 over 22.5 is 0.0444. And that. So after getting your 1 over x, you multiply 1 over x and f. So 2 times 0.1333 gives us 0.2666. 9 times 0.0800 gives us 0.7200, and so on. And then at the end of the day, this figure here is the summation of f1 over x. That is ideally what we are supposed to get. So I'm going to give you some 5 minutes to prove whether this is okay. Check whether I didn't make any errors. Notify me. We calculate our harmonic mean. With our harmonic mean, we now replace this in our formula. And here we are saying harmonic mean is equal to summation of f, which we have as 110, divided by 5.5934, 4 decimal places. So that brings us to 19.67, depending on really how you carried your decimal places. So there you are, harmonic mean over distribution. Now I can go to frequency density.